Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store look professional. First, select a high-quality, responsive theme that complements your brand. Shopify offers many excellent free and paid options, so take your time to find the perfect fit. Next, customize your chosen theme's colors, fonts, and layout to create a cohesive and appealing visual experience. A well-structured layout guides your customers effortlessly through your product offerings, enhancing their shopping journey from the very first click. A strong brand identity is crucial for professionalism. Invest in a distinctive logo and define a consistent color palette that resonates with your target audience. High-quality product photography is non-negotiable. Use clear, well-lit images from multiple angles. Incorporate lifestyle shots to help customers visualize using your products. Ensure all visual elements, from banners to social media graphics, maintain a cohesive and polished appearance. An excellent user experience keeps customers engaged and reduces bounce rates. Design intuitive navigation menus, making it simple for visitors to find exactly what they need within 3 clicks or less. Craft detailed and persuasive product descriptions that clearly communicate value and answer potential questions. Crucially, ensure your entire store is fully responsive and looks fantastic on all mobile devices, as over 50% of online shopping now occurs on phones. Building trust is paramount for converting visitors into loyal customers. Showcase authentic customer reviews and testimonials on your product pages and homepage. Clearly outline your shipping, return, and privacy policies in easily accessible sections, fostering transparency. Finally, use compelling calls to action, such as Add to Cart or Shop Now, with contrasting colors to guide customers smoothly through the checkout process, encouraging them to complete their purchase with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.